Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna present of you that paint application in Arduino. Let's get started. I use Esp32-S3 version and ILI9341 touch display. For display I use TFT-ESPI library. Let me I show you quick setup. Redefine all parameter exactly same. After change, save and exit. After upload code. If you change rotation, just change this line from 0 to 3. When you power on, firstly program asks you touch calibrate. You just follow order. Touch that four corner. When it's done, you see in main application. Click to clear for refresh the screen. Now enjoy your paint application. That's all. See you in next project.